The best place to start is you need to go within yourself. And the interesting thing is whether you are well versed in the notion of mind or not, but we do talk about mind and body, everybody. So there is this acceptance. So now, based on that acceptance, you need to spend a little bit time to find out what is this thing called mind. And so for that you need to go inside. For example, you call it meditation or whatever. You do a little bit of contemplation, a little bit of inner reflection. Sometimes I prefer using it, calling the mind as a kind of energy, because this mind is very much related to the wind or the internal energy. And this is something that you can also, through contemplation, you can feel. So then through that you can see how through this kind of effort to first of all perceive a little bit of the mind, and then secondly how much you can have control over it in doing the right thing or the wrong thing, then it's so interesting. Then you will realize, oh yes, I can do it. I am the maker of my destiny. I can do this, do that. So there you can see the power of the mind. So that's the way. Normally the mind has to always have an object to chase. So don't try to chase the object. Don't think about what has happened in the past. Don't think about what is to come in the future. But just simply try to maintain a kind of almost like a vacuity, just being in the present. See, then you will develop this feeling that there's so much space to do anything. You see.